All right, we're starting off with our 6 pounds of pineapple Tibbits, all in our large aluminum pan. And I'm just going to make sure I flatten out my Tibbits so that they are evenly dispersed into my pan. It is Easter today. I know you're gonna see this the next day, but I'm making a super yummy, delicious summer dessert that everyone will love. On top of our pineapple Tibbits, I'm gonna grab my maraschino cherries, and I did drain these, and we're just gonna sprinkle a few of these. You don't have to add the maraschinos, but I just think they're a nice little fun burst of flavor on top of the pineapples. And I think I'm gonna go ahead and use that whole jar. I wasn't sure at first, but that looks absolutely perfect. Let's go ahead and scoot that to the side. And I have here 2 sticks of softened butter. Make sure it's softened, that's important. And I have my butter golden cake mix, and we're gonna use that whole 15 ounces of our butter golden cake mix. You could do the pineapple cake mix, you could do a yellow cake mix, a vanilla, a white, but I think butter golden goes so great, and it's not too much pineapple flavor in there. Now I'm going to add some sweetened coconut flakes into this. I'm just gonna add a little bit. I think it's gonna be a fun, nice little toasted coconut on top of that pineapple and those cherries. We're going for a tropical theme here. You can mix this with a spatula, but I'm gonna go ahead and just put my gloves on, my food grade gloves, and we are making sure everything gets well combined together. We kind of wanna make some crumbles to go on top of that pineapple and cherry mixture. This is such an easy way to do like a dump cake. If you don't wanna do the traditional layers, you can just mix your softened butter with your cake mix, and then I have that yummy coconut add-on for the tropical flavors. But you get such a great dessert when you just mix your butter nicely with your cake batter. So let's go ahead and make sure these get nice and combined. All right, and look at that. We kind of make like almost like a cookie batter with that butter and that cake mix. All right, we're gonna go ahead and bring back our aluminum pan with our pineapple and our cherries. And now we're just gonna go ahead and kind of crumble our cake mix and butter right on top of those pineapples and those cherries. This is gonna add such a great yummy crunch to our delicious easy dessert. I think that pineapple and cherry are perfect for spring, summer. So I love making this, especially when I have a big crowd. I think this is the biggest version I've ever made of this dessert, and that's because we have lots of family over. But you can just use a standard size of pineapple if that's what you prefer. You could do crushed pineapple, and honestly the cake mix, I would keep it the same proportions. I'm just, making do with what I have, and I think it's gonna come out good, but the smaller version always tastes amazing. So let's go ahead and get that entire cake mix crumbled on top of our cherries and pineapples. All right, now this is ready for the oven. My oven is set to 375, and this is gonna be in there for 45 to 50 minutes. Oh my, look at this. It started to brown oh so beautifully. It smells incredible. We have the pineapple, the cherries, that delicious butter golden cake mix. Ooh, it's gonna be buttery, it's gonna be sweet. It is gonna be everything you need in life. All right, let's go ahead and dig in. This is right out of the oven, so it's probably gonna be really hot, but I think it's gonna be really, really good. It's like a pineapple crumble.
It smells delicious. It smells buttery.
Oh, it smells so good. And I think the only thing that would make this even better is some ice cream. Only the best for the best. I got a scoop. Scoop of ice cream on top, and Easter dessert is ready, but this is gonna be good all season long. You could even do some Ready Whip, whatever you like. Oh my goodness, wow. It's not too sweet, it's just the perfect combination. You guys have to try this.